Hey y'all, so in this video I will be showing you guys how I did my daughter's welcome sign for her birthday party. Of course, it's a Barbie spa theme, and so let's get straight into it. So first you'll need a pink background. It doesn't have to be this pink, but I will show you the number or code that I use for this pink. And then you will need the arch as well. And also, I do have Canva Pro, but if you don't have Canva Pro and you're not able to remove the background, you can just get the pngs off of Etsy. And I also did purchase the Barbie font for this sign or project as well. So if you do have Canva Pro, you can just Google the images and remove the background, but I'm unsure of the quality. Like when you go and print it, I'm not sure how it'll look. So that's why I just purchased my stuff off of Etsy. So after you've sized your arch, you would then grab a Barbie logo or sign or whatever you want to call it, and then lower the transparency of it. And then I just keep duplicating that Barbie logo and placing them randomly on the sign. I hope that makes sense. If not, I hope the video explains it. And if the Barbie logo or sign is on top of the arch, you just go to the position and put it backwards so that it's on top. Okay, now we'll start working on the arch. So you'll grab the Come On Barbie Let's Go Party sign or logo, and that will be at the center of the top of the arch. And y'all, it doesn't have to be exactly like mine. This is just what I did, and I can't sell my stuff on Etsy anymore, so I'm like, why not put it on YouTube? Okay, boom. And then we're gonna work on the verbiage. And so her theme is a spa theme, Barbie spa. My only girl. Let's focus. Welcome to, and then the font for this is Majesty, and it is a pro font. So if you don't have Canva Pro, just use something else. Sorry. And as I stated earlier, I did purchase the Barbie font off of Etsy. So that's how I'm able to do her name. Oh, that ain't even it. So you'll grab the head. The Barbie head, and lower the transparency as well. And that will be in the background of the arch. You can size it to whatever size you would like. And while I got y'all here, can y'all please subscribe to my channel, please? I'm trying to hit 1,000 followers by not by next year. Next year, my goal, I'm gonna make it my goal to hit 1,000 subscribers. So subscribe. Thank you. Okay, now that y'all have subscribed, we'll move on to the name. And as I've stated twice before, I did purchase the Barbie font off of Etsy. It was like less than $3, y'all. Less than $3, I promise y'all. And then I plan on using it when I make the shirts. I do have a Cricut and I already have a heat press that I haven't used in years since I was in Germany, but I'm gonna start back putting it to use now. And for the color for the name, I just color matched that with the Come On Barbie Let's Go Party sign. Come on Barbie Let's Go Party sign. It doesn't have to be this pink, you guys. If you don't like the dark pink, you can use the light pink. I know Barbie has different colors of pink. But yeah, we'll work on the verbiage now. Like I said, her party is a Barbie spa theme. And so you know how I got the verbiage, y'all. Chat GPT. I just typed it in on Chat GPT and copy and paste. Hello. And so for the Barbie spa party, the font is Copper Plate Gothic. You don't have to use this font. You don't have to use it. I'm just showing you what I did, people. Okay, so after you center everything, that's when I added the verbiage or the wording. Now, if you don't want this, you can just move everything down and center it. But for me, I didn't like how empty it looked. So that's why I added verbiage. And I just went on Chat GPT and I typed in a description for a Barbie spa party or something, and it populated for me. Also, I think I'm going to start making a series of doing welcome signs because this probably took me 10 to 20 minutes. And then I went and I printed it at Walgreens. This is a 20 by 30 and I spent like, it was less than $10. No. It was 12. It was like 11 and then tax, it was like $12. But it's like a poster kind of material. And since I only be using it once, I'm okay with that. So comment a theme, you guys, for me to create, and I'll create it. Let me know what day you need it by, because depression be kicking in sometimes. So comment a theme in like the month or day that you need it by, and I'll do another welcome sign for you guys. But yeah, this is it printed out, and I did that. Me. Period.